Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. Today, we're going to take you on an exciting virtual tour of an incredible city, Bangalore. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the enchanting world of Bangalore. Bangalore, a bustling metropolis in the southern part of India, has a rich history that dates back to the 16th century. Originally known as Bengaluru, the city was founded by Kempegowda, a feudal lord, and has since witnessed remarkable growth and development. From being a quaint town to becoming the cosmopolitan city it is today, Bangalore has undergone a fascinating evolution. In recent years, Bangalore has earned its well-deserved nickname as the Silicon Valley of India. It has become an epicenter for the country's booming information technology industry, attracting numerous tech giants, startups, and skilled professionals from around the world. With its world-class infrastructure and a thriving environment for innovation, Bangalore has cemented its position as a global tech hub. Beyond its modern facade, Bangalore is a city steeped in history. It has witnessed the reign of various dynasties, including the Vijayanagara Empire and the Mughals, leaving behind traces of their architectural marvels. The city's historical landmarks, such as the Bangalore Palace and Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace, offer a glimpse into its glorious past. Bangalore's architectural landscape is a delightful blend of ancient and modern structures. From the majestic Bangalore Fort to the intricate carvings of the Bull Temple, the city boasts an array of architectural gems that captivate visitors. Strolling through the colonial-era buildings in areas like MG Road and Cubbon Park is like taking a trip back in time. Music and the performing arts are an integral part of Bangalore's vibrant lifestyle. The city hosts numerous music festivals and concerts, catering to diverse tastes. From classical Indian music to rock and jazz, Bangalore's music scene offers something for every enthusiast. The city also boasts theaters and auditoriums that stage a wide range of performances, showcasing the talent and creativity of its artists. Music and the performing arts are an integral part of Bangalore's vibrant lifestyle. The city hosts numerous music festivals and concerts, catering to diverse tastes. From classical Indian music to rock and jazz, Bangalore's music scene offers something for every enthusiast. The city also boasts theaters and auditoriums that stage a wide range of performances, showcasing the talent and creativity of its artists. Bangalore comes alive after dark with its lively nightlife scene. The city is home to a plethora of pubs, clubs, and entertainment zones that cater to both residents and tourists. Whether you're looking to dance the night away, enjoy live music, or indulge in delectable cuisine, Bangalore offers a diverse range of options to suit every preference. Bangalore's festive spirit is infectious, with the city celebrating a multitude of festivals throughout the year. From the grandeur of Dussehra to the joyous revelry of Diwali, Bangaloreans embrace every occasion with enthusiasm. The city also hosts cultural events and art exhibitions that bring together people from different backgrounds, fostering a sense of community and celebration. Bangalore's ascent to becoming India's leading IT hub is nothing short of remarkable. The city's favorable climate, excellent educational institutions, and entrepreneurial spirit have attracted major technology companies, establishing a strong presence in the region. With a skilled workforce and a supportive ecosystem, Bangalore continues to drive innovation and shape the future of the country's IT industry. Bangalore's startup culture is thriving, with the city being recognized as the startup capital of India. It provides a nurturing environment for entrepreneurs, offering networking opportunities, mentorship programs, and access to venture capital. The city's vibrant ecosystem, coupled with the availability of talent and resources, has resulted in the emergence of numerous successful startups across various sectors. Bangalore is home to numerous initiatives and support systems that foster the growth of startups and entrepreneurs. Incubation centers, accelerators, and co-working spaces provide a conducive environment for idea generation and collaboration. Additionally, government schemes and investor networks offer funding and mentorship to fuel the entrepreneurial journey, making Bangalore the go-to destination for aspiring innovators. So, whether you are intrigued by Bangalore's historical charm, eager to explore its vibrant lifestyle, or looking to be a part of its thriving tech and startup scene, this city has something for everyone. Bangalore truly epitomizes the perfect blend of tradition and modernity, making it a destination worth experiencing, a fusion of flavors. When it comes to architecture, Bangalore has a lot to boast about. From the resplendent Bangalore Palace to the magnificent ISKCON Temple and the modern marvel of Vidhana Sauda, the city is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. Step into the past as you explore the Bangalore Palace. With its exquisite architecture and stunning interiors, this palace is a true testament to the city's rich history. From intricate woodwork to beautiful paintings, every corner of the palace tells a story waiting to be discovered. Prepare to be awestruck by the grandeur of the ISKCON Temple in Bangalore. This spiritual haven not only offers a place for devotional activities but also showcases breathtaking architecture. The intricately carved pillars and the serene atmosphere make it a must-visit for both locals and tourists. As you stroll through the streets of Bangalore, you can't miss the grandeur of Vidhana Sauda. This seat of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly is a combination of Neo-Dravidian and Indo-Saracenic architectural styles. Its imposing structure is a sight to behold, especially when illuminated at night. Amidst the bustling cityscape, Bangalore also offers a respite with its green spaces and wildlife sanctuaries. Here are a few serene oases worth exploring. Escape the chaos of the city and find solace amidst the beautiful flora of Lalbar Botanical Garden. Spread over 240 acres, this garden is a paradise for nature lovers. Take a leisurely stroll, enjoy a picnic, or simply relax in the lap of nature. Step into the wilderness at Bannerghatta National Park, where wildlife conservation meets urbanity. This park is home to a variety of animals, including tigers, lions, and elephants. Embark on a safari or visit the butterfly park to witness the wonders of nature up close. In the heart of the city lies Cubbon Park, often referred to as the lungs of Bangalore. This sprawling park offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle. Take a leisurely walk, admire the architectural landmarks within the park, or simply find a shady spot to read a book. Bangalore's food scene is a melting pot of flavors, blending traditional Karnataka cuisine with global influences. Here are some culinary delights you can't miss. Get a taste of Karnataka's culinary heritage by indulging in the flavors of traditional dishes. From the aromatic bisi bel bath to the crispy masala dosa, each bite is a burst of authentic taste that will leave you craving for more. In addition to local delicacies, Bangalore also offers a vibrant global food scene. Experience a fusion of flavors as you explore the city's diverse culinary offerings. From Mediterranean cuisine to Asian fusion, there's something to satisfy every palate. No visit to Bangalore is complete without relishing the city's street food. From the tangy and savory chaat to the crispy and delicious dosas, the local street food scene will take your taste buds on a delightful journey. Bangalore's cafe culture is a reflection of the city's vibrant and laid-back vibe. Here are a few cafe experiences you shouldn't miss. For coffee lovers, Bangalore is a paradise. Known as the birthplace of Indian filter coffee, the city is home to numerous coffee shops that serve a perfect cup of aromatic and flavorful brew. Sip on this unique blend and savor every sip. Whether you're looking for a cozy spot to curl up with a book or a hip hangout to catch up with friends, Bangalore has it all. The city's cafe scene offers a diverse range of options, from quaint and charming spaces to trendy and bustling joints. If you're looking to up your Instagram game while enjoying a cup of coffee, Bangalore has plenty of aesthetically pleasing cafes to offer. These cafes not only serve delicious food and drinks, but also provide the perfect backdrop for envy-inducing photos. Get ready to snap and sip. In conclusion, Bangalore stands as a vibrant and dynamic city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. From its historical landmarks to its thriving IT industry, from its cultural heritage to its bustling entertainment scene, Bangalore offers a myriad of experiences and opportunities. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a tech-savvy individual, a nature lover, or a foodie, Bangalore has something to cater to every interest. So, embrace the charm of this Silicon Valley of India, and discover the hidden gems that await in the heart of Bangalore. We hope you enjoyed this virtual journey and that it inspired you to add Bangalore to your travel bucket list. If you liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content like this. Until next time, happy travels.